morning, folks. It's Clark here for vlog episode 9. Should I have a celebration tomorrow for vlog episode 10? I don't know. We'll have to see. So basically the agenda for today, it's training day. I've got my running shirt on and running shorts and going running for an hour, and then gonna be fixing my bike, and then I'm gonna go mountain biking, and then gonna be relaxing basically, because relaxing and recovering is just as important as the workout. So yeah, I'm gonna get out there and go run. Okay guys, so I will see you after that. Alright? It is about 9:30, by the way, so see you then. Well, I'm done running, got my run in, and I'm eating my cereal, my banana, and I'm watching some prop hunt stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Been thinking, do I really want to put up video games on my channel? I'm still coming to this debate, and I'm like, oh my god, Clark, just say you're gonna do it or you're not gonna do it, because I really like video games. They're fun and all, but they're not me, and I think this channel is I'm trying to represent myself here, and I think if I worked on putting up more movies and stuff like that, I think you guys would enjoy it. But I don't know if video games are gonna be here, guys. I have no idea. It's a lot of work, and I would rather just be playing the video game and having fun myself. And I also have to start working on these podcasts and stuff like that, so yeah, I don't really know. So yeah, I gotta get my bike together sooner or later. It's about 11:20, so I'll be working on that pretty soon, and I'll be heading up that hill, and then in the meantime, after I'm done bike riding and mountain biking, I'll be working on the Europe trip movie. I don't know how many Europe trip movies I'm gonna make, or because I don't know, maybe I should make like a music video so it's just one song, or should I have multiple songs? I don't know how long these movies will be for YouTube, but I also have to make a movie for friends and family to watch here at my house. So I gotta think about that too, so it might be 2 separate movies. I don't really know. So yeah. So I was just continuing to work on this project that I don't know, it's been taking me a while. It's really hot outside right now, so I'm gonna plan on riding my bike a little bit later in the day. It's about 3 o'clock, and it's a little bit over the peak of heat time, but it's still kind of hot. And I gotta get out of my running clothes, so once I do that, I'll be good to go for biking, and I gotta repair my bike. But you know what sucks, guys? You know what sucks is when you start up a project and it gets deleted. When you start up something that's working for you and you're working on it, and then you accidentally click on something, and then all hell goes loose and you can't bring it back. And yeah, so that's basically what happened to me. I've been working on this Europe project for a couple of hours now, and I mean, I didn't make that far progress, but I found the song that I wanted to use. Well, one of the songs. I'm sure I'm going to use multiple songs in one thing, but yeah, my nose is looking really red, and I should take a shower. But I'm not gonna take one till after this bike ride, because of all the, you start sweating and whatnot. So yeah, I gotta redo this project, and hopefully I'll be out repairing my bike about 4, maybe 5 o'clock, and then I'll be up that hill around, 5, 6. Yeah. So, see you then. Hello, my friends. There's people out and about, and I'm vlogging. See you guys all down the hill. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry about sort of the lame footage for mountain biking. I didn't really go up the hill. I just stayed at the base of it and was messing around because I fixed my bike tire, and I was basically just testing it out before dinner came around. And yeah, so today basically was a day for running that hour in the morning and then working on Europe trip video, which I managed to get back. Well, not get back, but I had to redo everything, and I got about a minute of it done. And in that whole minute, it probably took me about, I don't know, I'm putting a lot of effort into it. Probably about, I would say, a couple of hours. Yeah, a couple of hours went into that. Probably a solid 3 hours for that minute of footage. And that's because I was trying to match up stuff with the music, and it took me a while to find what song that I wanted to do. And all in all, I'm still learning Sony Vegas. And yeah, so during the biking footage, I didn't really want to film that much because I'm still not, comfortable filming like outside all the time. And well, I mean like vlogging outside. There's a difference between filming outside and vlogging outside when you're just talking to the camera like this. And other than that, I'm trying to think what else I did. Basically just sat around because relaxing and recovering is just as important. I've already said this, but just as important as doing the workout. And so I got my biking in and I got my running in today. Tomorrow I gotta do I think it was 5 miles ish I gotta do tomorrow, which I can do. I got that down. I can do that. It's basically just keeping up the running and for this week, and maybe on Saturday because of the backpack. I think I actually have to push up my 10-mile run to this Saturday, so I gotta run 10 miles this Saturday, which should be fun. Yeah, can't wait. It'll be that's the longest run that I do in preparation for a half marathon. And other than that, I'm just going to be chilling around making more of this movie or watching TV or something like that. I don't know. Usually when I am in the workspace and making movies and stuff, I usually have a pretty quiet environment. All I'm listening to is usually the music or the sound that's in the there. That's Sony Vegas, by the way. Sony Vegas Pro 12. Yep. And that's what I use to edit the vlogs and edit movies and whatnot. So I will see you guys all tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.